Several South Africans are trapped in foreign countries after contracting COVID-19, and the cost of hospitalization or quarantine in a foreign country can easily run into R1 million. This is according to a travel insurance company that is warning that travel insurance during COVID-19 is a must-have to avoid incurring excessive costs. TLC, a division of Santam Insurance, says it is registering about 2 travel claims per week due to COVID-19. The company says the claims can run into millions of rands. It says travelers are often covered only for emergency medical expenses, quarantine, hospitalization costs, and even repatriation back to South Africa.
And our very first one actually happened in March last year, late March, when we all went into lockdown. And it was a 71-year-old gentleman traveling in Germany, and his claim was 4 million rand. So that's what the heartbeat of travel insurance is. It's to cover your international medical costs when you're on a journey. And remember, South Africans are paying premiums in rands, but we're incurring our medical costs in foreign currencies. So we pay in US dollars or pounds or wherever the traveler might be.
Most travel insurance do not cover for mandatory testing and quarantine in a foreign country, which is often a requirement. This means travelers will be forced to dig deep into their pockets to pay for this expense. And travel insurance will not cover holiday makers if they decide to cancel or postpone their trips due to COVID-19.
Most travelers are not aware that the cancellation cover lists the events that you are insured for. Any event not listed is not insured. So cancelling as a result of COVID is not covered because it's excluded on the TRC policy. We would cover any other unexpected medical illness. We would cover should the traveller lose their passport just before their journey, that kind of thing. So a travel insurance provider will list about 7 to 8 perils that they will insure you for.
Travelers are required to test for COVID-19 at their own cost within 72 hours before their trip outside the country. And if the test is positive, they will be forced to postpone their travel arrangements as they are required to self-isolate. Naledi Matlapeng, SABC News, Johannesburg.